Imagine an AI that doesn't just respond, it plans, acts, and thinks independently. It can browse the internet, write code, automate your tasks, and even improve itself. It's called AutoGPT, and it might be the most disruptive AI tool ever built. In this video, we'll break down what AutoGPT is, how it works, and how it's already changing everything, from software development to digital business. AutoGPT is an autonomous AI agent powered by OpenAI's GPT-4. Unlike ChatGPT, which only responds to single prompts, AutoGPT can take a goal, break it down into tasks, and complete them, often without further input. You don't just say, write a blog post. You say, create a blog post about AI trends, find relevant links, and save it to a file. And it does all of that, step by step, by reasoning, writing, navigating, and learning from its results. This shift from prompt-based to goal-based AI is massive. It turns GPT from a tool into a digital assistant that can act on your behalf. Let's go back and look at a brief history. AutoGPT was released as an open-source Python project in early 2023 by a developer named Toron Bruce Richards. It quickly went viral on GitHub and Twitter for being one of the first widely accessible AI agents capable of autonomous reasoning. Within weeks, developers were building spin-offs like Agent GPT, Baby Aggie, and God Mode, each experimenting with new interfaces and agent behavior. Suddenly, the AI community shifted its focus from chat to action, and AutoGPT led the charge. So what can it actually do? Let's look at real-world examples people are sharing. A solopreneur used AutoGPT to research a market niche, brainstorm product names, check domain availability, and even write website copy, all in a single run. Developers are using it to debug code, generate documentation, and automatically push updates to GitHub. Marketing agencies are running AutoGPT as a researcher. It scours the web for competitors, pricing strategies, customer pain points, and delivers organized reports. One user even created an AutoGPT loop to monitor breaking news, summarize it, and send updates via email daily. No human input needed. So what separates AutoGPT from tools like ChatGPT? It uses long-term memory to recall context between tasks. It can call external tools, access files, and browse live websites. It can create and revise its own goals based on success or failure in simple terms. ChatGPT needs babysitting. AutoGPT can babysit itself. But it isn't perfect, yet. It can get stuck in logic loops. It sometimes makes bizarre decisions. And it requires advanced setup, API keys, storage access, and careful prompts. It's more of a prototype than a polished product, but the potential is hard to ignore. In the near future, we may see AutoGPT connected to smart homes, robots, and other AI tools. Want to automate your finances? Run a business with minimal staff? Or even generate passive income through AI agents that monitor, learn, and act? That's where this is headed. So, is AutoGPT just hype, or the start of something revolutionary? Tell us what you'd automate first in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of AI trends, tech breakthroughs, and the tools changing everything, subscribe to TechNova. The future's not coming. It's already deploying.